Hello everyone. Imagine if you could completely change the way you look, grow wings, and fly into the sky. Sounds like magic, right? Well, that's exactly what happens in the life of a butterfly. Today, let's explore one of nature's most amazing transformations, the life cycle of a butterfly. Did you know that butterflies look very different when they are young? There are various stages before the egg transforms into a butterfly: egg, larva, pupa, and then adult butterfly. Now let's look at stage 1, the egg. Our story begins with a tiny dot, an egg, carefully laid by a butterfly on a leaf. It's so small you might miss it if you blink. But inside this egg, something extraordinary is about to happen. Butterfly eggs come in different shapes and sizes. They can be oval, round, or flat. Butterflies lay eggs on the leaves of trees or plants. A butterfly can lay anywhere from 1 to more than 100 eggs. The most common colors of butterfly eggs are yellow and green. It can take anywhere from 1 day to several months for the caterpillars to hatch from the egg. The leaf on which the mothers lay her eggs is the first food the caterpillar will eat. Interesting, isn't it? Now let's move to stage 2, larva or the caterpillar. Soon the egg hatches and out comes a hungry little caterpillar. And guess what? Its favorite food? It's leaves, leaves, and more leaves. The caterpillar munches all day long, growing bigger and fatter. But here's the twist: it doesn't just grow like us, it keeps shedding its skin like a new outfit. All caterpillars have the same job: to eat. The more they eat, the more they grow. As a caterpillar grows, its skin does not grow. The caterpillar grows so large that it needs to molt its exoskeleton. Getting rid of its old tight shell exoskeleton is called molting. There are over 20,000 different types of caterpillars. Now let's move to third stage, the pupa or chrysalis. The last time the caterpillar sheds its skin exoskeleton, it attaches itself to something resembling a twig. When the caterpillar sheds its skin, it leaves a hanging sac. This sac is called the chrysalis. This is the most mysterious stage. The caterpillar wraps itself into a cozy blanket called a chrysalis. From the outside, it looks like nothing is happening. But inside, a miracle is taking place. The caterpillar is changing shape, almost like a secret makeover. While in the chrysalis, the butterfly does not move or eat. The chrysalis is usually brown or green to help camouflage itself among the leaves and branches. Inside the bag, the caterpillar transforms into a butterfly. This is called metamorphosis. Some butterflies are in their chrysalis for a few days. Other butterflies will be in their chrysalis for more than a year. So the time is not fixed. Now let's move on to the fourth stage, adult butterfly. And finally, the magic is revealed. The chrysalis cracks open, and out comes a delicate, colorful butterfly spreading its wings for the very first time. From a crawling caterpillar to a flying beauty, the transformation is complete. When a butterfly emerges from the chrysalis, it cannot fly immediately. Their wings are wet and wrinkled. They need to hang vertically for 30 minutes to 2 hours. Once their wings are dry and full, then butterflies can fly. Now let me share some fun facts with you. If butterflies get too cold, their wings won't work, so they need to find sunny spots to stay warm. Butterflies use their feet to taste. The fastest flying butterfly, Skipper, can fly up to 30 mph. The butterfly's life cycle reminds us that change, even when it feels difficult or hidden, can lead to something truly beautiful. So the next time you see a butterfly flutter past you, remember you're watching a little miracle of nature in motion. See you in the next video. Keep learning, keep having fun. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye bye.